Assalamu alaikum class, this is your teacher Ms. Sayyida Fatma Noor. Now we are going to start conversation. Okay, if you want to write the answers in your worksheet pad you can, but write it with pencil, okay? Okay, so first question is, what school do you go to? You can simply say I go to the Zahir Public School. Where is it? It is at Block H, North Nazimabad, Karachi. How do you get there? You can say I go there through van or by my father, with my father or mother. Okay, what's your favorite subject? You can say my favorite subject is whatever, either maths, English, science, SST, any. Okay, why do you like it? You have in this you have to say that आपको क्यों पसंद है वो subject. So you can say, for example, if you are saying that your favorite subject is science, you can say that I have a great interest in the research and logical and conceptual learning, so that's why I like science. And you can say, for example, if you say that your favorite subject is maths, you can say I like to do calculations, so that's why I like maths. Okay, what time do you get up on a school day? School day के दिन आप कब उठते हैं? So you can say I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Who wakes you up? My mother wakes me up, or my father wakes me up, or my alarm clock wakes me up. You can say this. What time does the school start? My school starts at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. or 8 o'clock in the morning. When does it finish? My school finishes at 1:15 p.m. or 1:15 o'clock at afternoon. Are there any breaks? Yes, I have break. Yes. Is your school far from your home? It depends on the location on your home where it is. So you can say yes, my home is far away from my school, or you can say no, it is nearby my school. How long does it take you to get to school? आपको कितना टाइम लगता है स्कूल पहुंचने में? So you can say it took me 15 minutes, or it took me 25 minutes to reach the school by car or by motorcycle. Okay, what time do you go to the bed on the eve of a school day? आपको ये बताना है कि आप इवनिंग में स्कूल डे की कब जो है, मतलब नाइट में आप कब जो है सोने लेटते हैं. तो यू कैन से आई गो टू द बेड एट around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. at night. Do you ever stay up late? क्या आप ज़्यादा देर तक जागते हैं रात को? So you can say yes or no. Simple. Where is your school located? The answer is my school located in Block H, North Nazimabad, Karachi. It is easy to get there. Is it easy to get there? Yes or no. Simple. How many students are there in your school? You can say we have around 500 to 700 students in our school. How many in your class? We have 23 to 25 in our class. No, I think in boys section there are 21 students, and in girls section there are 23. So answer according to your class strength. What classes don't you like? Here classes means basically your period. कौन सा period आपको पसंद नहीं है? So you can say I don't like the class of maths or English or SST, whatever that you don't like. Okay, and why not? What is the reason? क्यों नहीं पसंद? So you can say For example, if you are saying that I don't like maths class, so you can say that it's boring and I'm not interested in that. Or if you are saying, for example, ST, so you can say that again it's boring for a lot of you, and you can say it is difficult as well to understand. Okay, have you ever been late for class? Yes or no, simple. If so, why? अगर आप कभी लेट हुए हैं स्कूल से तो what was the reason? So you can say I get up late in the morning, and because there is a traffic on the road. Okay. Was the teacher angry? Simple yes or no. What do you do during breaks? You can say talk about it. So you can say in the answer that I do my lunch, I eat my lunch, and I talk with my friends, I play with them. I used to do my incomplete work during the break. All of this. Where do you have lunch? What do you usually eat for lunch? Okay, where do you have lunch? Basically, आप कहाँ से lunch लेते हैं? So you can say I bring it from my home, or I take it from the canteen. And what do you usually eat for lunch? You can say, for example, I usually eat for lunch roll or chips, french fries, etc. Have you ever fallen asleep in class? If so, why? Explain. So the first is, you can say simply yes or no. Have you ever fallen asleep? You can simply say yes or no for that. And if so, why? So you can, if the answer is yes, then you will have to answer this second question of this box. For example, if you say yes, so you can say that I stay up late at night, so I was sleepy in the morning, or the lecture was boring. You can say this. Have you ever been punished at school? Yes or no. Why? For example, you can say, if the answer is yes, so you can say that I was punished because I didn't complete my work, or I was roaming out of the classroom without the teacher's permission. Okay, these reasons you can give. What was the punishment? You can say the teacher told me to get out of the classroom, or took me to the principal office. Okay, what subjects are you good at? Simply you have to answer it that I am good at this subject. For example, I am good at science, I am good at Urdu, Islamiyat, etc. What subjects are difficult for you? For me, maths, science, or SST is difficult. It depends on what subject is difficult for you. Okay, I'm just giving you the examples. Do you ever skip class? क्या आपने कभी क्लास छोड़ी है? And yes or no, you have to answer simply. If so, what do you do? और अगर आपने ऐसा कभी किया है तो क्या करते हैं आप फिर? So you can say if your answer is yes, you can say I spend my time at home helping my mother and watching TV, using mobile, doing surfing on the internet, playing games, doing my homework, and doing my incomplete work. Give examples of school rules. It is, you can say, the school rules are as follows. For example, you have to respect your teachers, you have to be nice with your class fellows and your peers, and you have to wear the uniform perfectly, and you have to take your bag with you and complete your whole work, and All of these are, Okay, and have you ever broken any? Okay, so आपका आंसर ये होगा yes or no, and if your answer is yes, you can say yes, I have eaten in the classroom. This is a rule as well, that you don't have to eat in the classroom. Okay, what do you like best about your school? Explain. आपको बताना है कि आप अपने स्कूल के बारे में क्या सबसे अच्छी चीज़ लगती है आपको. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यू कैन से that all of the teachers are so cooperative and they are so understanding and they are good at what they teach. The school management is very polite towards the students. That's what I like. You can say this, or you can say that it is nearby my house and everything is great. The school is big. Okay, all of this you can say. Okay, so here our conversation is completed and the worksheet pad work of final term in second BM has been completed here. So take care and Allah Hafiz.